Jimmy and Tam have no demo this morning and are hoping the way to win over the other teams is through their stomachs.
So we came up with an idea to have a barbecue and invite all the other couples along.
Daniel, Jade,
Tam, what's going on?
We kind of want to throw this so that people like us again.
He's going.
Good, matey.
We also wanted them to know that we're not here to step on anyone's toes.
What's going on?
When Tam come to the door, we were like, oh no.
This afternoon, say 6:37, we're planning on having a bit of a barbecue out the back, if you guys are interested.
Cool. Mate, I'll be keen for a beer, matey. That sounds good, mate. Well done. Well done, buddy.
We were, had a little guest.
We've come up with an idea.
Which is?
Which is get all the troops together for a barbecue.
Okay.
Yeah.
A barbie at the back,
Barbie at the
beers,
back,
some wines.
You had me at barbecue.
With tonight's winners barbecue fast approaching, for Tam it's a case of save a little, spend a little.
I went to the Mana and
5
Sons.
hours.
It was probably 5 hours. I don't know, time flies when you're having fun.
We're gonna make a fancy barbecue.
Absolutely, you've come to the right
As fancy as we can go. This is the best produce I've ever seen in my life. I trust you guys.
The buffalo milk bologna will go perfectly with the mushrooms.
Beautiful.
Definitely the figs as well.
Oh, guys, load me up.
Too fancy?
No, let's do it.
Fresh fruit just to wash it all down after.
We're running out of room, guys.
We'll get another bowl.
I reckon we go for the truffle salami.
Jimmy's gonna kill me. There was a lot in my trolley. There was a lot, so it came to 1,000. Oopsies.
Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop
I bought two $90 bottles of wine. That was fun.
We've gone all out for this barbecue. I'm guarding this wine with my life.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, no, what's that? Sorry.
And with that, it's tools down. Winners are grinners and losers get a barbie.
Pita bread.
That's always
You guys win every week.
All out.
It was a sausage sizzle on steroids.
Oh my goodness. I'm coming over to Tam and Jimmy's more often.
When you said barbecue, I didn't expect this.
There was everything.
Everything.
Listen, I'm putting this to the group. If you win on the Sunday, on the Monday night, you got to cook a winner's barbecue.
Sounds good.
That's a great idea. What does everyone want next week?
They can win every week if they're going to produce a feed like that.
That's satisfying.
All right, guys. We're a big family here.
Yeah, definitely. Yep.
And when we win, you win.
Yep.
So
Thanks, Jimmy.
Thanks, Jimmy. Thanks, Tam.
we'll have some drinks, have a feed, and be merry.
Yeah.